Next is a rectangle. A rectangle is also a quadrilateral or a plane shape with 4 sides where the opposite sides are said to be the opposite sides are said to be equal. So this side is said to be equal to this because they are opposite, as well as this is equal to this. Now I have to differentiate them with the numbers of strokes. Okay, for the length I have 1 stroke, while for the height you have 2 strokes. Okay, or the breadth. So that differentiates the length from the breadth to show you that they are not equal. So under the properties of a rectangle, we have it that pairs of opposite sides are equal, which I have explained. And the second property is that all angles are right angles. Yes, so all angles of a rectangle are equal and are said to be 90 degrees. 3 is that the diagonals are equal in length also, same as the square. Their diagonals are equal in length. And the diagonals bisect each other. Yes, meaning it divides each other into 2 equal parts. That is to say, if this is M, this is M. If this is L, and this is L. Okay, so that is what these are the properties of a rectangle. Now, having seen that the diagonals are equal in length, and as well as the diagonals bisect each other, it therefore means that it bisects each other into equal parts. That is to say, if this is M, this will also be M, and this is M, meaning they are all equal. So that is that on the property of a rectangle.